All right, so we have here Coach Anthony Patrick here from Racing United. A hard-fought 2-1 victory today. How would you summarize today's result?
I think we start the game really flat, but the good thing about it, we keep a clean sheet in the first half. You know, we start the second half with a little bit more momentum, and we get the go-ahead goal, a brilliant one from a substitute there. But definitely we allow them in about a minute or two to get back one. But I think we manage the game well. How we finish, Nikhil Ellis again, you know, very important. You know, he come up trumps again today, and that is very important.
All right, so you mentioned about the first half, you guys came out a bit flat. What did you say to the team to inspire them to come out in the second half and put on that result?
Well, we said, you know, Chapleton Maroons, they're behind us, so they have to give it their all. So they give a good 45 minutes, a good thing we withstand all that pressure. The start of the second half, they were very flat also. So we take control of the second half and get the go-ahead goal, but you know, we allow them to get back one. But I think we finished the game really strong, and Nikhil Ellis come jump again.
All right, so you mentioned Nikhil Ellis there. He was a surprise emission from the squad selection recently. Do you have any comment on that?
Well, we just have to leave that to the ones that who do the selection.
Do you think that he did enough today to say to the persons that, hey, maybe you should have looked at me?
Yeah, I'm definitely. When you look at the offensive trust of the midfielders in the Premier League so far, he's the one that doing a whole lot of things as an offensive midfielder. That is very important when you look around in the Premier League.
True, I can agree. All right, Coach, I want to say thanks again. There's 4 in a row, and we hope that you guys can continue the run, all right?
This is what we sit and we talk about right through. You know, we want to beat all the teams that from six go down. We have to do our work there and try to propel ourselves every time we take the pitch.
All right, Coach, thanks again and enjoy your day.
Yeah, man.
All right.